Brothers Circus, the biggest circus from Mexico in Jamaica, now playing at the Granny Williams Entertainment Center. And on that note,
yo, welcome people there. You don't know, say Yaadman Eats and right now we're there, Strent Green Grocery Rastarant across from GC Foster. And what we're doing here today, well, we're gonna have some good Ital food. Because the episode of Yaadman Eats make us see how the rest of them feed with today, isn't it?
Absolutely. Manchester, we're right now.
No, we're good. I was going to run out. Is it a record? Is it a record? Oh, okay. We just want to make sure I say, whenever say the word eat, I want to make sure I say the word consume. Isn't me? I say, I don't want a fire bun for me today, isn't me? Alright, because, okay, speaking of fire bun, round there, so them have some coal fire, cook the food, isn't me? And right now, the place smell fragrant, the place smell nice, the place smell natural. That's what I did there. Alright, man. Cool. Man.
On the rollout, we are stopped in St. Elizabeth we were in Westmoreland and we are here today.
So, Tazarus, Blue Power Soap, water soap can wash. Quartz, bringing value home.
Yes, man, a Bobo cherry. Yeah, plus, yeah, I live, you know. As you can see, a coal fire. You guys have to just warm up and keep things hot. But the coal fire, we lentil rice and peas, we're ready for the rice like now. Wash me and go wash the rice and dash it in like now. Yeah. And this is the water for the ackee. Hot. Burning, you know.
Blessed love, Empress Niko, preparing ackee dish for the Yattie. Very natural. We done it in coconut milk without salting. You have to come and taste because you can't believe that we don't have any saltfish in this ackee. So just come in and full joy yourself.
This is a Yattie, not a patty, you know. If Rastas don't eat meat, think about it as a Rasta patty. This one is stuffed with spiced ackee and wrapped in a dough of whole wheat flour. I'm gonna try this right now. Hold on, I'm gonna get it for the TikTok too, isn't it? I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna broke this and see what I want.
And go through the process of sending off that letter to the members of parliament. A whole heap of criminality, and we're not going to stand by and allow it to continue. I will not say we speak on behalf of ourselves, right? We see
vegetable patty need to stop by. And this them need to sell.
in the system.
Usually me full of words, you know. But right now I'm lost for them. We really don't need meat for things to taste good, man. This is fantastic. Some real good food right now, man. So we went out on the road because we needed to gather the ingredients to make a very nice and refreshing natural juice. So Uncle Bobo took us to his farm. Yes, as me I said, reach a farm right now where I get some ingredients to make a bad juice. No, a great juice. If you bad it, if you dash way, isn't it? Yeah. Bomba. Open the juice around my hand, man. Yeah, man. This is gonna make a sexy juice. You see how big it be? See. But hold on there. No, hold on there. Two of them together. Even though one side bigger than the other, body big, so. Cheers for the coconut, you know, every time. Yeah, man. Great coconut. To my viewers who may not know, understand that Ital and vegan has their differences. Understand that though Ital is mainly vegetarian based, it also means no preservatives, no processed foods, just fresh, raw, natural food grown from the ground. Not all Rastas eat the same either. Some Rastas may be completely vegan, some may be pescatarian.
In Jamaica, how long did you have to wait to just
That's about
register?
4 nights.
How long did your sick, your ill relative?
What's that for, uncle? What's that for?
Juice, yeah, mate. Star fruit juice, yeah. Mixed with juice, I mix it with guava. Star fruit guava. Natural juice. No bag juice, no bigger, no Buster. No Pepsi, no Coke, yeah. Straight natural.
See it there? That is the star fruit, guava juice. Yeah man, nice, refreshing, clean. Looking on YouTube, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna start the food already. Jaja.
So we'll spice aki veggie chunks.
Veggie
cooked
chunks.
In sorrel.
Cooked in sorrel.
Sorrel sauce to eat.
Yeah.
Right? And then we have the lentil
Yeah.
ball. And then we have this little pumpkin based steamed veg.
Yeah, okay.
Right? And you have the lentil rice and peas as the base.
Alright.
Right.
This Ital meal that I'm having is amazing. I rate these things 10 out of 10. Okay, everything Ital down to the plate. The calabash. This is great. Let me sit down and eat my food. Come look after the camera. I need to eat my food. Your food don't have to dead to keep you alive, you know, and that. You don't need meat to make your food taste good. A few weeks after I posted that TikTok video, I wanted to share this Ital blessing with a brethren of mine who may not necessarily be the biggest fan of vegan cuisine. So we're back at the One Angels Inn Drive, Spanish Town, Jamaica. You see me I say, hold up. I'm gonna bring you Prince Pine. I know we are consuming today some vegetarian food, some Ital food. You see me, you excited, boss? You know, consume them something. You know, consume Ital and Vital and everything.
I'm not eat barbecue, cauliflower, and what else? Curry lettuce and them foolishness.
Well, areas, you know, strength to strength.
Yes.
Goodly change your mind.
Alright.
What's your
that,
style?
that him been as a still, you know, but me's anti-vegetarian.
What do you have today?
You get me I say? So,
What do you have?
I go hear what I have to say, I hear what the food have to say, and I'm going to be totally honest.
Consume this.
I'm going to be totally, what is this?
It's a yatti.
Kind of yatti my you?
A yatti.
This is a patty.
That is a yatti, bro.
White brown.
Consume it, no, bro.
Why not?
Take aki
Aki.
and coconut milk and all the niceness and them something.
Here what? This can work because you have aki patty. But you see when them fall with the others and thing, they will look
Yeah.
like chicken and beef
Yeah.
and them things.
Yeah.
Then we talk.
It tastes nice.
But this tastes good.
Right. So, Uncle Bobo,
Yes, my God.
which different, tell me the different type of yatti we have.
I want to say we have nothing different yatti because most things that we spice just yatti, you know, like lentil,
Yeah.
yatti, callaloo yatti,
Yeah.
all fish yatti, we not know the one that tastes.
Alright.
You see it right through, we just do the yatti pumpkin,
Yeah.
we just get the spice it, and add the yatti, so a variety. But Aki come like I take the place.
I eat at the leader right now. Alright.
What you say?
Bro, this is some steam swim around I'm gonna keep tonight. This is the special season over there, so. Isn't it? Let's see. Watch the aromatics and the carrot and the. I'm shine some light on that too. And the pumpkin and the. Ooh, I know, so this is gonna taste special, man. I'm excited. I'm excited. No, 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 no.
Fine, what you say? Fine. What you say?
We're outside, well, we're inside right now. I saw them cook up with the little vegetables and stuff. Yes, them say it's going to taste good, so
Let's see.
Okay, this is the 3-bean stew. Put down in vegetables and coconut milk. Season right down. Outside. Stir fry the veg. Adding some of our herbal season. We'll make this simmer for 10 minutes. Then we'll add our fish inside. My head and tail.
Not too much to support everything, but
Tofu.
Buying food and sharing it with that. I go too far in the food and sharing it.
It tastes just like how it looks.
Look nice so far. I see if it tastes as good as how it look, you know, cause it looks hard. What time now? This evening. You get me as well? What me tell you?
stir fry cauliflower.
Stir fry
pumpkin
cauliflower,
rice, the pumpkin rice,
Yeah.
and we have the tofu
Brown seed tofu.
rice,
Yeah.
and you have the mushroom and beans
Mushroom
cooked down to
and
perfection. And we have coconut milk is our main thing here. Between every
Just
single
let me
thing
know
that we
when
have.
I'm ready, you know, cause I'm ready, you know.
You ready?
And of
Ready,
course
you know.
we have the steamed fish
Alright.
with corn and crackers and things.
Alright, so which one you try first, Pine?
The tofu.
The tofu?
These are the tofu, right?
Yeah man, these are the tofu. The brown seed
So
tofu.
I'm going for it.
Alright.
Tastes like chicken.
Is that chicken?
Alright.
This is cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Yeah man.
Alright. This is what? Stir fry.
Okay, not true. Okay, not true. Alright, may I go for the mushroom and bean, you know?
Of course.
You there?
Try the fish.
Try the fish?
No, man, you have to come closer over here, Samir.
What? Bombat! No man.
Fish loud. Fish
Where's it,
loud.
man?
What?
Fish loud, man.
Strength to strength. Big up on the slab every time, you know. So wait, how much of a dinner like this would have cost? Tell the people them know.
That one is special, cause this is done to order, right?
Yeah, don't
That one is special. It's a combo.
A combo.
It's a fish with rice and tofu and cauliflower combo. The number 7. When the father just asks for number 7, you know. Go large.
No man. I'm glad to walk with my belly. I'm glad to walk with my belly.
I walk with a glass plate here.
Yeah.
Best man.
Hold on, so fine.
Yeah.
So fine. It never tastes like grass, not true.
Never tastes like grass.
Alright.
It don't taste like a vegetarian dish.
Yeah.
Cause when you hear vegetarian, it sounds boring, you know,
Yeah.
like string bean and
Yeah.
what else?
Yeah.
Lettuce and them arms house there. It's there, you know. This is a season either. It's season.
It did about everything season.
Yeah.
I'm that.
It's loud, my mommy. Loud, it's
I
loud.
love it, man, for real. And Bridget Scotty would have said this. Beer vibes. Alright, lock off the camera.
Yeah.
We're dealing with this. Listen to me, lock off the camera, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna try them.
Lock off the camera. You not try mushroom, man?
Now look weird.
Strength to strength. You give me strength. Me not telling a lie. Yo, seriously though, the fish, the snapper, the taste, so nice. I forgot that I was doing a video. I forgot to get into the flavors and explain what was happening. You see, everything that was in that bowl, everything that they used to season those snappers with, from the okra, you could taste the sliminess of the okra. The butter beans absorb the flavors of everything else from the spice mix what them use with them Himalayan pink salt, with the onions, the aromatics, the thyme. Listen, oh my goodness gracious. If you've ever had a fantastic steam snapper, alright, you saw it there. Made to order at the Strent Green Grocery Rastarant, 1 Angels Drive, across from GC Foster. Me not tell a lie. Me personally could have used a little bit more pepper. But outside of that, yeah, proper 9 out of 10. Me not tell a lie. The Yatty them though, the Yatty them. And one last thing that I want to say, since I posted that TikTok video, yes, Dad. Everything alright? Yeah, but the same thing I'm gonna tell you. Okay, alright, no problem. Yeah, man. Yeah, that is why you silence your devices when you're up on set. Cha! Sorry. What did I say? Support local Jamaican businesses. I'd just like to say thank you so very much for not only the engagement, the views, everything that came with me posting my first visit at Strent, but I was able to show people in Spanish Town, Jamaica, that there's a restaurant there that gives them a vegan/pescatarian option at great prices. And if you are a tourist or somebody who is just living abroad as part of the Jamaican diaspora, if you have any business for going to Spanish Town, make sure you go link up Strent so them can give you strength too. Yo, welcome to this episode of Yaadman Eats, and thank you for being part of the first upload of my 2025. Things are going this year. We're out.